Looking for the perfect adults-only getaway in the Dominican Republic? Let me tell you about Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar, a five-star resort that opened its doors in 2017 and has been turning heads ever since. This isn't your typical crowded resort where you're fighting for space at the pool or waiting in line for dinner. Instead, it's designed specifically for adults who want to unwind without the chaos of screaming kids running around. Located right on Bavaro Beach in Punta Cana, this place takes luxury seriously, and after looking at everything they offer, I can see why it's earned some serious recognition, including the World Travel Awards for Best Adults-Only Resort in the Caribbean in 2022. The resort underwent major renovations in 2022, so you're getting fresh, updated facilities that blend modern comfort with Caribbean charm. When it comes to accommodations, Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar doesn't mess around. They offer 3 distinct room categories, and honestly, even their most basic option is pretty impressive. The Junior Suites clock in at 452 square feet, which is generous by resort standards and come with everything you'd expect from a luxury property. We're talking king-size beds, separate living areas, private balconies, and all the modern conveniences like smart TVs, Nespresso machines, and minibars that get refilled daily. The bathrooms are spacious with premium toiletries, bathrobes, and slippers waiting for you. If you're looking to step things up, the luxury suites offer 592 square feet of space with upgraded amenities and better views, particularly if you snag one of the ocean view options. But here's where things get really interesting. The premium suites are where this resort shows off. At 807 square feet, these oceanfront suites come with their own private plunge pools and dedicated butler service. Yes, you heard that right, your own butler. The private terraces offer direct ocean views, and the whole setup feels more like a private villa than a hotel room. All rooms max out at 2 adults, which keeps things intimate and ensures the adult-only atmosphere is maintained throughout the property. The dining scene at this resort is where foodies will really feel at home. The main restaurant, Ambar Restaurant, serves as your go-to spot with international and Caribbean cuisine served buffet style for breakfast and lunch, plus themed dinners that rotate throughout the week. Think Caribbean night with local specialties, Italian evening with fresh pasta stations, and Mexican night with authentic flavors. But the specialty restaurants are where the real magic happens. La Trattoria brings authentic Italian cuisine to the table with handmade pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and classic dishes like risotto and tiramisu. They even offer pasta-making classes if you want to learn some new skills. The sushi bar might surprise you with its quality, fresh sashimi, creative rolls, and perfectly prepared tempura that rivals what you'd find in major cities. La Bodega focuses on Spanish tapas paired with an impressive wine selection, perfect for those romantic evenings. For something more casual, La Palapa sits right on the beach serving fresh seafood, grilled meats, and tropical cocktails with your toes in the sand. The bars scattered throughout the property each have their own personality, from a sophisticated amber bar in the lobby to the laid-back beach bar where you can sip tropical drinks while watching the waves. The pool bar keeps the party going during the day, with snacks and cocktails served right to your lounger. The pool and beach situation here is honestly one of the resort's strongest points. With 3 different pools, you'll never feel crowded, even during peak season. The main pool is the social hub, measuring 82 feet by 39 feet with a depth of about 5 feet, perfect for swimming laps or just floating around. The infinity pool is where you'll want to grab those Instagram shots, with its seamless edge that seems to blend right into the ocean horizon. Then there's the adults-only pool, which is smaller and more intimate, perfect for those quiet moments with a book and a cocktail. All pools feature swim-up bars, water jets for relaxation, and plenty of loungers with attentive poolside service. The beach access is immediate and impressive, 500 meters of pristine white sand beach with calm, clear waters that are perfect for swimming. The resort provides sun loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, so you don't have to worry about claiming your spot at dawn like some other resorts. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling right from the beach, and the calm waters make these activities accessible even for beginners. The beachfront is well maintained with regular cleaning and grooming, ensuring that morning beach walk is always picture-perfect. Activity-wise, this resort strikes a nice balance between relaxation and recreation. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and space for stretching or yoga. Speaking of yoga, they offer daily classes including Pilates and Zumba for those who want to stay active during vacation. The resort organizes weekly entertainment that includes live music performances featuring Latin and Caribbean bands, themed party nights, dance classes where you can learn salsa or merengue, and cocktail-making workshops. The entertainment never feels forced or overly loud, maintaining that sophisticated adult atmosphere throughout. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, they offer organized excursions to local attractions and can arrange transportation for independent exploration. Evening entertainment often features live music in the lobby bar area, creating a pleasant ambience without being overwhelming for those who prefer quieter evenings. The spa and wellness facilities deserve special mention because they really understand how to create a relaxing environment. The spa offers a full menu of treatments including traditional massages, facial treatments, body wraps, and their signature Caribbean coconut massage that incorporates local ingredients and techniques. For couples, they offer special spa rituals that can be enjoyed together in private treatment rooms. The facilities include a sauna, steam room, and hydrotherapy pool, plus a relaxation lounge where you can unwind before or after treatments. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening, and booking can be done online before your trip or at the spa reception once you arrive. The treatments use high-quality products, and the therapists are well-trained in various massage and wellness techniques. The hydrotherapy pool is particularly popular, offering water-based treatments that help with muscle relaxation and circulation. Since this is an adults-only resort, there are no kids' clubs or family-oriented activities, which is exactly the point. This policy ensures a peaceful, sophisticated atmosphere throughout the property where adults can truly relax without the typical resort chaos. The minimum age requirement is strictly enforced, creating an environment that's perfect for romantic getaways, honeymoons, or simply adult friends looking to unwind together. The location puts you within easy reach of some fantastic attractions. Bavaro Adventure Park is just 10 kilometers away and offers ziplining, cultural shows, and nature experiences. Skate Park, about 15 kilometers from the resort, features cenotes, caves, and eco-adventures that showcase the natural beauty of the Dominican Republic. Punta Cana town is 20 kilometers away for those who want to experience local culture, shopping, and nightlife. The resort can arrange transportation and excursions to these attractions, making it easy to explore beyond the property while still enjoying the luxury base. Looking at this resort objectively, the strengths clearly outweigh any minor drawbacks. The service quality consistently receives high praise from guests, with staff going above and beyond to ensure memorable experiences. The food quality across all restaurants is exceptional for an all-inclusive property, with fresh ingredients and skilled preparation. The beach location is simply stunning, with calm waters and pristine sand that's perfect for relaxation or water activities. The adults-only policy creates a sophisticated atmosphere that many travelers are seeking. However, some guests note that the pool areas can get crowded during peak season, particularly around the main pool during midday hours. A few reviews mention that room service options are somewhat limited compared to the restaurant offerings, though this is fairly common at all-inclusive properties. What really sets Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar apart from competitors is the combination of modern luxury with Caribbean authenticity. The 2022 renovations brought cutting-edge technology and fresh design while maintaining the tropical charm that makes Caribbean resorts special. The butler service for premium suite guests is a rare find in this price range, and the private plunge pools create an exclusive experience typically reserved for much more expensive properties. The variety of dining options rivals resorts that cost significantly more, and the quality consistently exceeds expectations for an all-inclusive property. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.